Hey, scholars, here's the deal. Next week on the 27th, 28th, and 29th, you're going to bring your device back. You're going to bring your music instruments back, your library books, your textbooks, any school supplies that you need to, you're going to bring to the school on these dates. And we're going alpha by last name during these times. We're doing that to keep everybody separated and to keep everybody safe. To do that, we're going to ask that you wear masks if you have them. We're going to socially distance, and we're going to spread out at doors 2 and 3, not the main door of the school. Nobody's coming inside of the school. You're just going to go up to doors 2 and 3. We'll have 6th graders go to doors 3, 7th and 8th graders to door 2, and we'll have your supplies for you. One of the things we would also ask is that, hey, clean your neoprene bag, wash it and dry it, normal load in the washer and dryer, and then wipe down your device with just a wet, clean cloth. Don't spray it with any sort of chemical cleaner. Don't do that. But just wipe it down, clean it up. In fact, all of your items, please return them in clean, good condition. Bring them to us in good shape. Speaking of giving, you're going to give that stuff to us. Then we'll hand off all of your locker contents, your book if you bought it. Speaking of giving, the Lithuanians have an old proverb that says this: the person who gives is a person who has. What? Does that make sense? The person who gives is the person who has. That makes total sense. You know, not everything you give has to be money or items. It can be your time, it can be your friendship, it can be love, compassion, kindness, understanding. You can give all kinds of wonderful things like that add value. So think about that Lithuanian wisdom and share some of that kindness. Give to somebody else today. It's a great way to add value, Wildcats. It's a great way to increase your happiness too. You don't believe me? You reach out to me. I'll provide you information on these 4 research studies that show that giving actually increases your kindness. Hey, I love you, Wildcats. Have a great day. I'll talk to you again tomorrow.